Hey everyone, today I will show you how you can fix NVIDIA Installer Cannot Continue. So first, you want to just go to your search bar and type in services. Once you're here, you want to choose on any service and press T, and you want to just right click on this task scheduler and hit refresh. Alright, now you can just close this and go to your search bar again and type in registry editor. Open this up, click yes, and once you're here, you want to just go to this HK local machine. You want to expand this, and you want to go to the system, you want to expand it again, you want to go to current control set and you want to expand it again, go to services, and you want to choose on any device and hit T. You want to scroll down until you find time worker SVC, you want to click on it, and then you want to just go to the start right here and you want to double click, and you want to make sure that the value data is 3, and you want to click OK, and you can close this and restart your PC. If you guys have any questions, you can just leave down in the comments below and I'll try to answer all of it. Be sure to subscribe and thanks for watching.